Hello everybody, we are going to present you our new project. How to connect physical world with digital world.
Presented by Gaurav Kumar Saraswat, 3rd year Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Army.
Why choose LabVIEW? LabVIEW is a graphical programming environment. Can complete development in LabVIEW 4 to 10 times faster than other programming languages. LabVIEW includes hundreds of powerful graphical and textual measurement analysis, mathematics, and signal processing functions that seamlessly integrate with LabVIEW data acquisition, instrument control, and presentation capabilities. Develop sophisticated systems using intuitive graphical icons and wires that resemble a flowchart.
User need to tell two things to processor. First one, which file user want to access, and the second one, what operation user want to perform. How this project different from any other projects? We developed 6 algorithms that plots the information from physical world to digital world. Firstly, plotting physical coordinate hand movements to digital coordinate. Secondly, searching file. Third, selecting file. 4, operation. 5 indication clock. 6 ease of studying notes and watching movies. We are using camera in our project, which acts as digital eye. After processing video stream captured by camera, we obtained coordinate of tracking object. Here the tracking object is white cap, which is located by red box. We map this coordinate to computer coordinate using an algorithm. Coordinates shown in the box is a digital coordinate.
There are a number of files are in the user desktop. User need to tell the processor which file actually he want to choose. In order to accomplish this, we are assigning the digital coordinate to cursor. Now cursor moves in the same fashion as tracking object. Hence user can easily point to any file using cursor. This completes searching algorithm. How does the computer comes to know that which file user want to open? The solution of this problem is our third algorithm. If tracking object remains still for more than 3 seconds, computer assumes user want to open that file pointed by cursor. After file is selected, user has to tell what operation he want to perform. Either he want to open a file, he want to close running application, or something else. To do this we have a swapping algorithm. Number of times user swap over tracking object accordingly option is in front of user. This completes swapping algorithm. Ease of studying notes and watching movies. There is an awesome feature in functions of LabVIEW called polymorphism. Polymorphism is a programming language feature that allows values of different data types to be handled using a uniform interface. Quote: after inspire from this feature, we developed an polymorphism algorithm, which decide what user want to do. To cite an example, consider user is watching video file and user moves his hand in upward direction. This increases volume of video player. And if the user is studying notes, then the same action leads to transfer to previous notes, means upward scrolling.
Now observe the following features in an upcoming video. If user select video file, upward movement of hand leads to increase in sound of video player. Downward movement of hand leads to decrease in sound of video player. Right movement of hand results into fast forward by 1 minute. Left movement of hand results into a backward jump of 1 minute, if user select study notes. Upward movement of hand switches the user to previous pages. Downward movement of hand switches the user to next pages. Right movement of hand makes the user zoom in. Left movement of hand makes the user zoom
ancient Egypt. But it is not in 100 Egyptians. Permission to excavate the site has finally come.
It's going to really...
Yahata. Back at the harem, Peter is hoping to help us see into the distant past. 12th Dynasty king.
Throughout. Half underground, half above ground. The latter built upon the former. The whole number of...
Right. Tracer pieces. This is her satellite images. It will take our...
To use...
I love her. It's built, but the Grand Gallery is a passageway. Constructed using 2 million blocks, the Great Pyramid weighs 5 million tons. It rises at a constant angle of 51 degrees to reach the height of a 35-story building.
Other applications includes mobile calling using hand gesture, playing virtual chess, gesture lock, ultimate security, writing over surfaces.
Please focus on the column you typed. It enlists all number that user dialed in his palm. With slight advancement, the same application can be used to play chess online. User play chess on original chessboard the same day to get feeded to online chess server.
Disable all the ports of computer. Now the only way to access computer is through predefined gesture. The person who knows the original gesture can only operate the computer. If anyone other tries, computer does not respond. Write anything on your notebook, the same thing get written over blackboard.
Thank you for watching our presentation.